You wake up. First thing you do, grab your phone, scroll, check messages, watch videos that don't matter. 30 minutes pass, then an hour. You haven't moved. You haven't thought about your future. You haven't done one thing for yourself. And the day hasn't even started. This is how poor men live. Not poor in money, poor in time, poor in energy, poor in results. They repeat the same small failures every single day. Here are 5 things poor men do daily. Listen closely. 1. They react instead of act. Notifications control them. Other people's emergencies become their priority. They give their best hours to anyone who demands attention. By noon they are drained, and they have nothing to show for it. 2. They avoid hard things. Difficult task on the list? Push it to tomorrow. Uncomfortable conversation? Stay silent. New skill to learn? Tell yourself you are not ready. Comfort feels safe, but comfort is a trap. Every time you avoid discomfort, you stay exactly where you are. 3. They consume more than they create. Hours of videos, endless articles, motivational content that feels productive but changes nothing. Watching someone else succeed feels good, but it does nothing for you. Poor men watch, rich men build. 4. They stay around people who are also stuck. Friends who joke about being broke. No one pushes them. No one challenges them. Iron sharpens iron. But if you stay around soft metal, you will stay soft too. 5. They trade time for money and call it a plan, work, get paid, spend, repeat. No system. No skill that grows. No investment in their future. They sell their hours like there is an endless supply. But time is the only thing you never get back. Now here is the shift. You are not stuck because life is hard. You are stuck because your daily habits are weak. The good news? You can change them today. Tomorrow morning, leave your phone in another room. Do one hard thing before breakfast. Walk away from people who drain you. Spend 30 minutes building something, not watching someone else build. Learn one skill that pays you while you sleep. You don't need more motivation. You need better habits. Stop doing what poor men do. Start acting like the man you want to become. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now, your future self is begging you to begin.